Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. In this video I will show you how to disable future dates in a calendar in jQuery date picker. In my previous video I have showed how to create a jQuery date picker in MVC application, and here is the output of that code. When I click the input box, it's displaying the calendar. Today's date is January 19th. But if you notice, the future dates also available to select the user. Now my aim is, I want to disable these future dates. Let's switch back to the coding part to disable this functionality to select the future dates. I'm back to the index.cshtml. In the script, variable date is equals to new date method. Variable current year is equals to date dot get full year. Variable c month is equals to date dot get month. Variable c date is equals to date dot get date method. After declaring the variables, now in this document function date picker, I'm adding max date colon new date method. Now in this date method, I'm adding these variables c year, c month and c date. That's it. Let's run this application. We'll check the output, the calendar control, the future dates are disabled or not. Click Google Chrome. Here we got the output. I'm selecting the control, and notice here in this calendar up to 19th, today is the 19th, we can able to access the older days, previous dates, but we can't access the future days. That's it. If you like this video, please leave your valuable comment, share this video, and please subscribe my channel. Catch you on my upcoming videos.